Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today we're getting back on Addie's bike and we'll probably get the engine in there. Stick around. Alright guys, so here's the deal. If you saw the intro to that video and you're like, man, did I miss an episode? Because I thought I just seen the front end on that motorcycle. Well, you are correct, you did see the front end on it, but no, you didn't miss an episode. Here's the deal. Adelaide, she is in middle school and she's in the middle school band. So much so, she's very talented. She plays the oboe, she's in the advanced band, and they do a lot of extra training, a lot of extra things with some of the intermediate students. And that's what she's doing. She's like staying after school, loving life, playing in band, having great times with her friends. So that's what we're actually doing right now. We're gonna go pick her up so that we can go back to work on her motorcycle. So with her crazy schedule, I took the liberties and said, hey, let's go ahead and help her out a little bit, throw that front end, that front wheel on there, and that's what we're doing. Reason being that I've helped her so much is because we have been invited to show her motorcycle at the Orange County Choppers Invitational in May. So that doesn't give us a whole lot of time. Needless to say, I'm traveling all over the country. I'm doing shows myself. I'm building that motorcycle, the Sportster, for the autism charity, which if you guys want to find some information on that, make sure you head over to the5dirtybikers.com. That will show you all the information on how you can get entered to win that 1975 David Mann Sportster replica. But let's go ahead, swing by Addie's school, pick her up, and then we got to make a little run because we need some bolts. We got to buy some bolts to put that motor in the frame, and I don't think that she knows how to buy bolts. So we're going to figure that out together. Stick around. Addie, guess what we're doing today?
What are we doing today?
We're working on your motorcycle. Hey, do you see that piece of paper that's laying right there underneath your binder?
Nope. I do now.
Yeah, read that. Can you read it? It's like math and stuff.
5/16 is 18 times 3 equals 3.
Do you have any idea what any of that means? Well, it means that we got to go buy all of that stuff so that we can put the engine into your frame today. Are you excited about it? Are you excited? You can use words. People on YouTube land can't hear you unless you talk.
I wonder what they're thinking so they can. Yes.
Yes. All right, it's gonna be a fun time. So I'm gonna teach you how to buy bolts and washers and nuts and hardware for your motorcycle. So we're going to our local hardware store. They know me there all so well. They just let me walk in and pick out the things I need because I gotta buy stuff there all the time. And today Addie gets to come with me and do that. We're gonna buy those bolts, get it back to the house, and then we're gonna get that engine put into your amazingly beautiful, freshly painted frame. Awesome?
Yeah.
High five. Stick around! A lot of bolts, right? Holy cow. Got her list. Now she's gotta find the bolts. Let's make it happen. Here we are back home. Good job on getting the bolts for your bike. right here. Nailed it. So now I'm going to show you something that I do on some show bikes. I haven't done it on every bike, only the cool ones, and that is customizing those bolts we just did. Now, for you guys watching the video, keep it a secret if you want. This is kind of one of those trade secret things, but I'm going to show my daughter how I customize my stainless steel bolts to make them even cooler than what they are, and that's called dishing the heads. We're going to take the head of that bolt and we're going to dish it in, make it look super cool, and it actually removes a little bit of weight, so it can be probably a little performance, a little faster, lighter. So let's do that, Addie. I'm going to show you how to use the lathe.
Okay.
Okay, you excited? You excited about the lathe? Are you excited about that cool motorcycle back there?
Why do we keep going up?
Oh my goodness, see that cool motorcycle back there behind us? It's gonna look even cooler when we get done with these bolts. Let's knock it out! All right, Addie, we're gonna take these bolts, we're gonna chuck this up into the lathe so it holds it nice and tight. Then we're gonna take this 5/8 ball end mill. See how the end is rounded, guys? And we're gonna put that into the tailstock with a drill chuck, and we're gonna bring it up to the end, and we're gonna dish out the top of that bowl, or dish out the top of that bolt so that it has a nice rounded surface in there. You ready to learn this?
Sure.
Okay, first time on the lathe, here we go. High five. Safety first. So that's how you do it. Are you ready to do 6 more times?
Sure.
Let's knock it out. Well, just as it so frequently happens, it's raining in Florida, so we're gonna have to delay this video maybe a day. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, here we are. Next day, beautiful sunshine. All the rain is gone. We did have a chance to finish up those bolts and get them all polished up. What do you think about them?
I think they look really cool.
They look really cool. Let's show these guys what they look like. I have to say, they do look really cool. You did a great job getting those all dished up and polished. Boom, nailed it. All right, so next phase of this operation, Addie, is...
It's kind of bright.
Yeah, it's kind of bright out here. Sunshine, beautiful Florida. I'm going to do the heavy lifting. I'm gonna pick it up for you. All the heavy stuff, we gotta be careful not to scratch that beautifully painted frame. Okay. And we're gonna get it set inside there. You're gonna help me to get the bolts put through the engine. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna throw that rear wheel on there, and then you're gonna have a rolling chassis with an engine in it. You ready?
Yes.
All right, it's happening really quick. Let's do it, people. Got that motor in. Let's show them where it's at. What? Awesome. Wonderful job, as always. Nailing it. Last thing to do before we wrap this video up, we're going to throw that rear wheel on there really quick. And then she's going to have a rolling chassis with an engine in it. Super stoked! All right, let's put that wheel on. says, wee. Well, Addie, let's step back, give it a look. Check it out. Super awesome. So proud of you, girl, right there. All the time making it happen. So, with that, I think we're gonna wrap today's video up. You ready to do this?
Yes.
I think everybody knows how this works, so we're just gonna say it all together. All right, so if you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. Maybe we don't know how to all do this together. I'll do it. All right.
Okay.
If you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here
At Weems Motor Co.
Peace!